Now we see how inheritance works. Okay, so we have a class A, we have defined a function sum. First argument is self, the object. Self or this or whatever, self, one name should be given, self or this. This is this in the Java, right? And in the C. So self A, B, and we have colon, and we have A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, and we have here self dot A is equal to A and self dot B is equal to B, right? And we have another class D, and it inherits A. We define a function display, and in the display we print self dot A, self dot B, and now we make object of class B, obj is equal to B, and we access the sum function, because it is available, dot obj dot sum and 10 and 10. Okay, and we should call display function of B. Okay, so let's see the output. Save it and see the output. So invalid syntax display, so there is a colon, right? Save and display takes 0 arguments. Okay, self should be provided, right? Because object is given, so self should be provided, otherwise it will not print anything. So you see 10 10, and first argument was not printing anything. Why? Because we have no print statement there. Print self dot A plus self dot B. Okay, this is addition, sum. File, save, and 20, right? So this is how we inherit method. Class A method sum is inherited by B, and using the B object we use the sum of A, then we use display of B, and we use in the display A and B of A class. Self dot A is where A and B is defined in A class. We have accessed it. So inheritance means we get all the properties and functions of the base class or parent class to the child class, right? This is called multiple inheritance. Okay, so this is single inheritance. If we have another class C and B A, okay, and we write only pass, and we create the object C, the same will happen. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, this is colon, right? Save, and you see 20 and 10 and 10. So this is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means C inherits B and A, and if we write any pass inside any function or any class, it means there is no body. We want in the future some body, but right now there is no body. We use C object and we get the A function and we get the B function using this object. This is called multiple inheritance, right? So there is level of inheritance, that is separate. Multiple level. How to do that? Let's see.